A PMzip file, or to give it its full name, a PMZip file, is just a file which contains all the information needed to display a particular piece of music. It can contain a chord sheet, it can contain pages of sheet music, and it contains all the tags, indexes and categories of that particular song. So we can import a PMzip into PMZip in one of two ways. From the startup screen we can choose import song from a PMzip here, or if I just close that down, if we go to file and we go to import song from a PMzip, we get the same screen coming up. PMzips are stored usually on your local computer, or it could be on a USB pen drive. So we'll browse to where I've got some PMzips in here. I've got some in my documents, and here's a couple here. So let's just choose the first one and open that PMzip. Confirm I want to do that. What I now get is a list of the songs that are in the PMzip, and I can move them one at a time, or I can select them all and move them all over. And if I've put something that I don't want to put over, I can bring it back that way there. So this is a list of songs that will be imported into PMZip from the PMzip. I'll just select this one as well and bring them all over. Click on import. Import finished. And then it gives you the option of doing another import. I'll say no to that. It'll ask me if I want to open all the songs. I'll say yes. You'll notice we've got two copies of Amazing Grace, because one is the sheet music version and one is the chord sheet version. And here are the other songs which I have imported. And you'll notice that, for instance, for this one here, we've got sheet music, we've got chord sheet, and if we go to the lyrics, we've got the lyrics, and if we go to tags, we've got all the tags. We've got title, we've got melody, we've got tempo, and we've got all the other information here, including if it's a worship song, you would have Bible references. So that's what a PMzip is. You can import as many or as few songs as you want using the PMzip. How do you create a PMzip? Well, it's just the reverse process. If we close this down just now, and we go up to File, and we say Export Songs to a PMzip, now we're seeing the list of songs which are currently in PMZip. We can either see it by the most recently used, or if we click on here we get it in alphabetical order of title. Again, we can just select them all, or we can select individual ones. So I'll just select that one there. So I'm going to create a PMzip containing that one song. I click on Export, I browse to where I want to save it. I'm going to put it into my documents. Just put it in there. And you'll notice that the PMzip is automatically named using the date and time, and this is to avoid you accidentally overwriting any other PMzips. You can obviously rename them later once you've saved them. So we'll say next to that, creates the export file, exports the songs, exports the sheet music, progress bar shows it's finished, and we've now created that PMzip. And if we go into our documents, there is the PMzip we've just created with that title. As I say, if you want to then rename that with a more friendly name, that's fine. PMzips can be moved between any computers running PMZip 4. So you could put that PMzip onto a USB stick, or you could email it to somebody, or you could put it in a share on the network and other people could get access to it.